Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be doing I'll be doing some, I can't decide, I'll be doing a cotton wash or a mixed load. I'll know when I'll press that button, so let's throw the clothes in the washing machine, or you'll know by the title of this video. I haven't done a washing machine video for a while now, and that's because I'm concentrating on fixing up the small room. Going back to this video, I am now going to put some Ariel in the dispenser drawer and best get on with it. And that's not good. I'm going to clean this out first. So let's just clean that. And that's the best I can do it while using one hand and holding the camera. I will be doing a video on cleaning the inside as well, but let me just remove that lump. How quickly it builds up. Okay, I haven't got time to clean it properly today, but I will be doing a video on how to clean the dispenser drawer inside and out. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put the camera down for this bit. Okay, all it required me to do was just press on that, and it pushed in nicely. Oh, detergent in there. Not forgetting the conditioner as well. Come on, please. How much you use is up to you, depending on the weight of the load in your drum. What now? Have we decided what cycle we're going to do?
Yeah, I'm going to do a cotton wash today, and I will do a 3 rinse, and I'll leave the rest as it is, 1400 RPM, 40 degrees, and 3 rinses at 1 hour 37 minutes. Cotton wash. Welcome back. Different sauce. That's it. I thought you put it there and then boiled it. I already cooked that. I thought you put it in top.